What's up, guys? Today we got a D8N. She's a crank no start, so let me see. I think I got a key in my pocket. I'll jump up in here and see what she does. We got nothing. No juice. Let's go test the batteries. Come over to the toolbox. Let's see. Quick meter, go-to meter. Master was on. So hook this up to ground. Jump across both batteries. Should have like 24 volts. We have nothing. Let's go from one battery to the other. Oh, now we got 9.7. And 7.8, but that's reading the power coming out of that battery. So I suspect this battery here is shorted. This is my go-to little toolbox kit. Bring this everywhere. It's got metric, standard, ratchet, some extensions, mine are missing, and then standard and metric wrenches. Good little grab kit on the go. We'll get these batteries. Shut the master off. When disconnecting batteries, always start with the negative terminal. Now you're breaking the circuit, so you can't short anything out. I like to take a picture before I start, just so you remember where everything goes. Pull the battery hold down box out. And then we gotta lift these big suckers out. Whew. Well, we got the batteries out of the box, but I'm gonna fire up the crane because these are heavy. So we'll use the crane to lift them out, put the new ones in. Gotta love it. All right, so I'm hooking I got the batteries in, got the hold down bolted in. Start with your positive wire, although this one looks a little sus. I don't like the look of that, but I just checked and I do not have a crimp-on positive terminal. So for today, we're gonna put this one on here. We'll put the series connector in here, and last, we'll connect this. Remember to take your battery caps off. And we'll get these batteries connected. All right, got those ones on. Remember, always use your rubbers, protect your terminals. Last, we'll hook up this negative. We'll get this one tightened up. We do negative last because if you accidentally hit something metal and ground out your batteries, nothing's gonna happen here. If there was positive, you would be welding. Okay, so those are all on. I'll probably put some protective coating on those. I did skip a step you missed when I wire wheeled the inside of all the terminals. Got them all nice and clean. Remember, battery caps. So now we'll turn the master switch on. Pop the cab open. All right. Oh, missing the key. Where'd the key go? Here we are. Okay, we got power. Remember, turn your throttle on. Let's give her a crank. Now let's go check our charging system.
So I got my load tester hooked up. We're gonna do a charging test. Charging normal. There we go.
Now the fun part. Test drive. Probably see a lot more action of this machine in the near future. We gotta re-ball the blade, the bush arms, and we gotta do all the pins and bushings in the nose cone. So stay tuned. D8 up and running. Just had to move it out of the way. They've been trucking in loam or topsoil for the past few days. Needed more room, but we'll be back soon. You can see the gap there in the hood line. There's a set of pins and bushings down here and down here. Those must be whooped. Somebody actually welded this entire nose cone on, so we're gonna have to cut that apart. And then here's your ball and sockets. We gotta check those, redo those. I know this one's worn out. You can see the spacing in there. So stay tuned. We're gonna do that project next.